Ahoy there, cruise nerds! Welcome aboard to my channel, DCL Cruise Nerd. My name is Megan and I am your host. Today we have some exciting announcements coming all the way from Disney Cruise Line. So let's go ahead and dive right on into them. Oh my goodness, I have to hold on to my desk here because I was just jumping up and down with joy. UK residents, and also if I do have any UK cruise nerds, I am so jealous of you right now. But I am very happy that you get a chance to go on board the Disneymagic. Now, Disney Cruise Line has officially announced that they will be starting sea staycations aboard the Disneymagic over in the United Kingdom. There's going to be 2-night sailings, 3-night sailings, and also limited 4-night sailing cruises. Now, these particular cruises are going to be going from London Tilbury, Newcastle, Liverpool, and also Southampton, just to name a few. There's also going to be more health protocols while on board the ship and also before you get on the ship. There's going to be possibly a requirement for COVID-19 testing, a negative test before you board the ship. As well as there's going to be screenings throughout your cruise. There's also going to be face coverings, so you'll have to have a face covering throughout your stay. And also there's going to be social distancing and reduced capacity just to begin these sailings. So I'm very excited about that. See how it does. Now, also when it comes to health priorities, the Navigator app, Disney Cruise Line's Navigator app, will be up to date with all the health protocols for COVID-19. So definitely download that app now if you are deciding to book. Now, with that being said, Disney Cruise Line is actually taking an extra step and training their crew of how to keep the ship up to excellence in cleaning. And also they're going to do intense cleaning throughout your cruise. But I have no doubt that Disney Cruise Line will do an amazing job with this. Now, also when it comes to adults and families, they will definitely have open the kids clubs for all the kids that are coming on board. As well as there's going to be polos, there's going to be the Quiet Cove area for all our adults out there, as well as Senses Spa. So I'm very excited about this, see how it works. And then also for the entertainment area, there's going to be live Broadway shows telling you your favorite Disney story. And then there's also going to be special moments with Disney characters like Captain Mickey, Marvel, Toy Story, our beloved Disney princesses, as well as heroic encounters like Marvel, as well as royal festivities with Queen Elsa and Princess Anna. And also our beloved snowman who loves warm hugs, Olaf. So I'm very excited about this, yay! And then also, of course, dining experiences that we know and love from Disney Cruise Line. Now, Disney Cruise Line has not made any other announcements with the exception of this. So hopefully we get to hear more soon. Once I find out more, I will definitely bring it to you first. And fingers crossed, we get to hear more very soon. Alright, cruise nerds, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also Twitter for more breaking news and updates. Have faith, trust, and Pixie dust, and I'll see you real soon on board.